My name is Marcus Jeffrey. I'm a business IM manager for major accounts at Gist. One of our best known customers is Starbucks. We manage their logistics for over 800 stores in the UK and Ireland. Gist is a 24/7 supply chain company with more than 5,000 employees. We offer innovative solutions across contract logistics, global freight management and temperature controlled distribution. We build solutions to meet the exact needs of each customer. For a customer like Starbucks with small quantities of multiple items for multiple destinations daily, you really need both hands free for maximum speed. We had tried another major voice solution and found it was unable to cope with the speed at which we needed to pick. One of our IT suppliers came up with the idea of using Wavelink Speakeasy, and we immediately saw that it was a much better fit for us.
Scan task number. Go to 16453.
Switching to voice has made a massive difference to our pickers. The old devices we used to use were big and cumbersome and hard to use. With the old devices, when coming to a pick, you had to put the device down to free your hands to pick the item. With voice, you now have the information coming through your ear, and you speak into the mic, you have both hands free to do your pick.
Go to 16453.
Ready.
With this voice system, all voice commands come through the headset. It's much simpler and quicker than our old system.
Scan task number.
A big selling point was that there was no requirement to buy and run a costly voice server. We just needed the devices themselves. Another big plus was the low cost and risk of implementation. Speakeasy just sits on the top of the Telnet client that is installed on all of our devices to connect to our warehouse management system, so we didn't need to change anything. We were able to put 2 Speakeasy devices into our live operation by day 3. We then grew to 12 devices, and we were able to rotate these through our whole team and gather feedback over 6 weeks.
It's really easy to get started with Speakeasy. The system's very user-friendly, and that was one of the main key advantages for us.
The product is speaker independent, so any member of the team could use any of the 12 devices.
Even with our multilingual workforce, we found Speakeasy very easy to implement.
Hola, mi nombre es Javier, y hablo el español de México.
Bonjour, mon nom est Julie, et je parle français canadien.
Very minimal voice training was required throughout. They just spend a couple of minutes training in the warehouse, just so the voice system filters out any background noise.
Go to 75632.
One next.
We ran a cost-benefit analysis and saw that the improved speed and accuracy meant that the solution would pay for itself very rapidly. In conjunction with the Speakeasy rollout, we purchased Wavelink Avalanche, which we now use to manage all our voice devices. It's quick and easy to make changes to accommodate a new customer's process or to try out a new way of working. We just use Avalanche to make the change and push it out to a couple of test devices. We're not touching the warehouse management system itself, so the time, cost and risk are all minimised. We get immediate feedback from our pickers on the new version. For a business like ours, which always tailors operations to suit our customers' needs, that ability to adapt operations is fantastic. With Speakeasy, we have an easy, low risk and agile way to offer better supply chain services.
From my personal perspective, the key efficiencies of using Speakeasy are greater accuracy, faster picking and less misled devices around the operation.
This is a great example of how Gist uses the latest technology to deliver the best service for our customers.